it's your girl, Love Kisses 99, and I'm coming to you with yet another video. I've been away for so long, I'm trying to knock some videos out. So I'm coming to you today with a wig review. Now, this wig is from MildWild. Now, they are going to be upgrading their packaging and a few things like that, but I wanted to come through and show you the wig. This is actually the packaging they use now, which will be updated. So inside, of course, you get your wig in a bag like this, and then it says "Have a nice day," this cute little plastic rose. And also, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure there's a wig cap. Yes, there is. There's a set of wig caps in the box, as well as an informational booklet. So you get quite a bit of information in here, and how yes, and there's information on how to shampoo your wig, how to care for your wig, drying it, washing frequency, pre-washing your wig, and selecting shampoos. All of that information is right in here. But let me get on to the wig. I already cut the lace off, and I also already put a little bit of makeup here because the way the cap is designed, it was a little too light for me. So I'm going to actually go in with my makeup brush. I have a little bit of makeup left on here from when I did my makeup earlier. But anyway, yeah, it's a long straight unit, and I'll put the specs to this wig in the next slide. Okay, and it does come with 3 combs, one on each side and one right here in the back. We have our adjustable strap, which is right here. So you have everything you need to get your wig on and to get it going. It's really a nice straight wig. The hair is soft. It's human hair. And you guys know I love human hair wigs. I'm not really too big on the synthetics. But yes, it's a human hair wig. I went ahead and parted it along the side. Like up here, if I'm not mistaken, I'll put in the amount of lace you get right down in the front part. I'll put that down in the information area. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I am going to try it on. Now, I did have a bit of a convo with the company, and some companies really do want to know how they can improve the product. And they asked me my opinion, and I told them how I felt they could improve it, and they're going across the board to improve the products that they offer. For me, it's the hairline, needs to be a little bit thinner. The hair quality seems fine to me, but that was really the only issue that I had was the hairline, but you'll see that in a minute. So I'm going to take this turban off. You guys know what I wear underneath here. Let me just pop her. First, I'm going to use whatever makeup is left on my brush, just on the lace. But the combs on the side, I'm going to see if I can slide them under my little band here. And as you guys know, I wear an average, which is a medium. Let me brush her out. Now, this hair really is a good quality of hair. It feels good. I'm not getting any tangling or anything like that, just brushing through it. So let me find my other comb, which again, the company is definitely working on the hairline. I'm going to pull it back some. It felt a little too forward. And I probably should have left a little bit more of the lace on, but I just want you to see what it looks like. The hairline is not bad. It could just use a little bit more thinning out. So that way you can see it. It is fairly thinner, like right around here. Sideburns can really give your wig a more natural look because it doesn't just stop like short. If you want to cut in some sideburns, like right in here, you could definitely do that. Okay, so I just let it mold down for like a couple minutes, so it's not as stuck on as I would like it to be. But I did cut my sideburns on this side. Again, it needs a little more thinness around the hairline. And this is what this side looks like without cutting the sideburns. So here, it's a little thinner here, but it could use to be thinned out, a nice lightweight hairline all the way around. But again, the hair is very, very nice. I used a little makeup right here. I'm trying to find what I did with, oh, here it is right here. I used a little makeup in my part just because I noticed some of the knots were showing a bit, and I used what was left on my makeup brush. And you know, I always use my palette, the makeup kit from the Virgin Hair Fantasy. Again, we want to put a little bit of makeup that makes it a seamless transition between your forehead and the wig. And you can put a little like this, and a little like that, just to blend it all out. And you know, guys, I'm not big on the baby hair. I say that again and again. So a wig without baby hair is ideal for me. So that's pretty much it for right now. Don't forget to check out MildWild, and I'll put a link to them and this unit right down in the information area. So I'm hoping you guys have an absolutely awesome evening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.